Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Cash App account if it is suspended or closed. So guys, if you want to recover your Cash App account if it is suspended or it is closed, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now go to any browser and search here for Cash App Support. So as you can see, this simply search for Cash App Support, and from here you have to simply go to how to contact Cash App Support from here, and from here scroll it below, and from here you can see you can easily contact the Cash App team from here. So as you can see this, you can start a chat and you can call also at this number. So guys, you have to simply choose anyone from here, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Cash App team. So guys, simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Cash App team, and they will review your account, and if you have not violated any community guidelines, then your account will be recovered. And if you have violated community guidelines, then your account will not be recovered anymore. So guys, these are the ways which you can follow to recover your Cash App account, and you can easily use it again. So guys, these are the ways which you can use to recover your Cash App account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.